everyone, a warm welcome to our podcast. I am Vishakha from class 8, आज की host. आज के हमारे खास गेस्ट हैं मिस्टर तारक सर. He was a dedicated and the owner of the Educational Institute. आज हम उनके इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी के बारे में जानेंगे जहां उन्होंने चैलेंजेस फेस किए हैं. Without further delay, let's start our conversation.
Thank you so much, Visakha. I'm really curious to do conversation with you today.
Welcome, sir. Let's start our conversation. My first question is, sir, could you please share your journey from being a teacher to leading successful institutes?
Vishakha, I can't say that I'm a successful teacher and I'm running successful institute. Right now, my institutes are very small, like a small plant. But definitely one day it will become a tree. So I would like to share you that how I came in education field. I would like to share you this that after passing my 12th, I have decided to learn English, and I have not decided. I just it's formed. मतलब मैं शौकीन था कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलूं, मैं लोगों को दिखाऊं I can speak English. So I joined English Institute, which is located in Abhanpur, and I learned 3 months. Within 3 months, I have completed my course. After that, I practice and started to speak English. And after that, my brother requested me, कि, "Bhai, please teach me spoken English. I want to also learn." So I taught him, and he started to speak slowly, slowly. Even my younger brother, he used to speak English in school. So the school children used to watch him, and they requested, "We also want to learn English. So please tell your brother that he will teach us English." So I started my coaching in my small room from my house, and I just worked. I just taught 2 or 3 months. After that, my friend said that, "Ki, Parsu, let's join the school." Miss, my nickname is Parsu. My friends call me Parsu. So I joined my first school, Gopal Higher Secondary School, and I was not very intelligent student in my school time, but I I knew how to speak English. So because of my English, I joined the school, and the school hired me as an English teacher. And my first school is Gopal Higher Secondary School, which is located in Dusera. After I just worked for 6 months and resigned, and I joined Hariom Higher Secondary School, which is located in Abhanpur. I just worked 2 years as an English teacher, and after that, my life changed. After Hariom School, I met the director of Kids Paradise School, Mr. Fahid Khan. I watched him in a very young age how the man is running his own school. I really inspired. And Faisal appointed me as an English teacher in Kids Paradise School. And when I used to watch him, at that time I used to share the room with Fahid Khan sir, and I inspired to see him, how he used to work, how he managed his school. And I decided one day I'll definitely open my own institute. So Kids Paradise Spoken English, because of Faisal publishing, I opened it, and still I have been running it successfully. And I started my primary school, and I did my job, and I didn't do any struggle. Follow. I just follow my work and routine, and the time I give my time properly and systematically, and the time made me a good teacher right now. And I open after that, after opening the school, I opened my Sanskar spoken English classes, which is in Sydney. And this is right now. These are only small plant, but I'm trying to make them. I'm feeding it, and I'm watering it. I'm watering them, and slowly one day I think it will become a big tree. That's it. And I didn't struggle. I just did my work as my duty. That's it.
You are so inspiring, sir. Now my second question is, what key habit to help you to make a successful inspiration?
I do not follow anyone. I just inspired to myself, and after that, I made my own quote. I thought that now Tarak, you have to do something in your life. So I made my own thought. I made my own quote. I would like to tell you that what is my quote, and I always follow this. यही विचार मेरे को आज 3 इंस्टीट्यूट चलाने के लिए और इतने अच्छे टीचर्स बनने के लिए मुझे प्रेरित किया है. There is a one passion in my life, or someone writes something for me, or I should do myself. इस मैं हिंदी बताना चाहूंगा कि मेरे जीवन में केवल एक ही पैशन, एक ही जुनून कि कोई मेरे लिए कुछ लिख दे या तो मैं अपने लिए लिख के चला जाऊं. और यही विचार आज मुझे एजुकेशन फील्ड में अच्छा काम करने को मिला. और राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग एंड आई वांट टू डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन एजुकेशन फील्ड. I want to do lot of things for the children. I want to do something for society, for my family, for my country. This is my dream. And right now you are watching me that how I'm running my institute. Yes, that's it.
This is my third question, sir. What advice would you give to your young student?
Sure, Vishaka. My advice is, Vishaka, for my young student that family background does not decide your future. Your dedication, your discipline, and the punctuality of life decide your future. हमारे पास चीजें नहीं, इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम सक्सेस नहीं हो सकते. बिना कुछ किए ऐसे कितने सारे लोग हैं जो आज पूरे देश भर में, दुनिया भर में अपना पहचान बनाए हुए हैं. अगेन आई टोल्ड यू कि हमारे बैकग्राउंड ये डिसाइड नहीं करता कि हमारा फ्यूचर कैसा होगा. हमारा फ्यूचर ये डिसाइड करता है कि हम कितने डिसिप्लिन हैं, हम कितने पंक्चुअल हैं, ये डिसाइड करता है. यदि आप अपने काम में डेडिकेटेड रहेंगे, यदि आप अपने समय का सही ढंग से पालन करेंगे, बच्चों आप सचमुच में सक्सेस होंगे. रियली आप एक दिन सक्सेस होंगे. भले ही आपके पास चीजों की अभाव हो, है ना, सुविधाएं की अभाव हो, लेकिन यदि आप ठान लो तो कर सकते, जरूर कर सकते एक दिन.
Sir, this is my fourth question. What did you love doing else that helped you in your career today?
Vishakha, when I was child, actually, nothing used to do. I had no any good habits, but I would like to share you. When I was young, I told you that I used to catch fish, and I used to go field with my father. I didn't like study. Only I used to go school just for fun, and because my parents forced me to go school, that's why I used to go school. I was not intelligent in my school time. I was the poorest child, and you know, I always passed with great marks. But I always say thanks to the God whenever I passed. And but one habit I have since when I was in 8th class. So those time in school, pocket dictionary used to come, English pocket dictionary, you know, which was in 10 rupees, which was sold in 10 rupees. तो वो पॉकेट डिक्शनरी मैंने खरीदा हुआ था और वो मेरे को जेब में रखने का हमेशा, मतलब वहीं से मेरे को इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा क्यूरियोसिटी आया, एक्साइटमेंट आया कि मैं धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश का वोकैबुलरी रोज एक एक दो दो तीन तीन ऐसे मैं लर्न करता था. और आई हैव नेवर थॉट, विशाखा, की यही आदत मेरे जीवन बदल देगा. Really, now I'm an English teacher, spoken English teacher. I'm running my own institute. यही आदत मेरे, मतलब कहने का मतलब मेरा ये है, अगर हम किसी चीज को रेगुलर फॉलो करें, तो सच में अगर हम समय को कुछ देते हैं तो समय हमको वापस उस समय देता है. ये चीज मैंने अपने लाइफ में नोटिस किया है. तो वही छोटा सा एक पॉकेट डिक्शनरी आज मुझे एक अच्छा स्पोकन इंग्लिश टीचर बना देगा, इंग्लिश टीचर बना देगा पूरा एरिया को, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा. बस मैं इतना बोलूंगा कि अच्छी आदत हमेशा इंसान को बड़ी चीज की ओर ले जाता है, और वो मेरे को ले गया. वो डिक्शनरी धीरे धीरे मैं जब मीनिंग याद करता था, पढ़ता था, और मेरे टीचर्स जब पूछते थे कि इस चीज का मीनिंग क्या होगा, तो मैं पहले हाथ ऊपर करता था. और जब टीचर्स क्लैप कराते थे तो वहां से मेरे को लगा कि हाँ, आई एम समथिंग इन माय क्लास. But I was poor in another subject. I was little bit intelligent in English. I used to understand English very well, मतलब little bit. और वही मेरी आदत. और एक बात और बोलना चाहूंगा कि मतलब अगर हम एक बंजर जमीन में थोड़ी सी भी अनाज, अगर धान का दाने भी फेंक देते हैं शाकर, तो वो जगने लगता. तो अगर हम अपने लाइफ में किसी चीज को, अगर किसी काम को करने में हम रोज समय दे रहे हैं, तो वो हमको वो समय वापस देगा. और वही प्रैक्टिस, वही आदत जो डिक्शनरी पकड़ने का, वो मेरी लाइफ को चेंज किया और आज मैं इंग्लिश टीचर।
Finally, here is my last question, sir. If you would share one life lesson with our audience, what would it be?
This is the motto of my life that I follow. और one thing that कि एक और चीज मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, if you want to do something really in your life, do whatever you like, do whatever you enjoy. ऐसे चीज करो जिसमें आपको मजा आए, enjoy करो। ऐसे काम मत पकड़ो अपने लाइफ में कि जिंदगी भर उस काम को कर करके आप थक जाओ। ऐसे काम करो जो काम आपको हमेशा मजा दे, सजल।
Thank you, Tarak sir, for your valuable time and inspiring words. Thank you for joining us today. This is Vishakha from class 8 signing off. Have a nice day. Thank you.